Today's dose of Rashmi is unconscious intelligence performs any activity by being focused on the outcomes. Wisdom, on the other hand, is performing the same activity by being in a state of complete alignment. As a product thinker, that got me thinking about this because requirements are typically the what and why, and how is how it gets implemented, which is usually the realm of the designers and developers. And I started reflecting on this through the various stages of evolution of how software development and product life cycles have come about. So let's dive into the three layers of Rashmi architecture with that context. So layer one is how products were historically developed, where it was the domain of product managers and stakeholders like the salespeople and others to bring about requirements. And then people who are actually building the product, they just built it based on no real connection with the customers, the users of the product. And they just built it because somebody has told you exactly what to build. And that certainly is not the recipe for building great products. The product led operating model transformed how historically the products were built and came up with this concept of that the entire team engaged in understanding and building the product is a product team, and that includes the product managers, the designers, and the developers. And it defined these four lenses: value, viability, feasibility, and usability. And the products got built such that they were extremely usable, user centric, and they created business value for the end users and customers, and they were viable and they were feasible for the team developing it. It led to great products being created, great value being generated, and this is the layer two operation. At the same time, it also led to things like the attention economy, where so this is where at layer three of the Rashmi hierarchy, I have come up with this model called the wisdom led operating model, which is an evolution of the product led operating model. As I said, it is a great base model. And now, on this journey from intelligence to consciousness, we have to evolve it to build products which are human and planet centric. And wisdom led operating model is clarity, capacity, care, and continuity.